Tēnā tātou te whanau. Today's kōrero is on this beautiful marae that we have in front of us, which is called Hinemihi marae. This marae is actually located in Ngāpuna, rotorua. The specifics to this marae and the kōrero of the marae. Hinemihi is the marae. The wharekai is Hinemihi's daughter, Hinewai. The hapus that are related to this marae that I know of is Ngāti Hinemihi, Ngāti Tarawhai, and two Haurangi. The waka is Te Arawa. The roto to this marae is Te rotorua nui, Kaumata Momoe, and there is a photo of the wharekai of Hinewai, and the maunga to this marae is Tarawera. Kia ora tātou, mauri ora.
The meeting house today, the meeting house Hinemihi today stands in Clarendon Park in London. It got there because Mika Aporo sold it 6 years after the eruption. Mika was Aporo's son. Mika was Aporo's son, and he was approached by the engineer of district council here, a man called Camille Malfoy. He was looking for a meeting house for the Governor General of the day to take back to England. And so the meeting house is still over there, and it's visited by Hinemihi. I remember in the 70s our uncles and aunties going over there requesting it back. It was declined, it's under their National Trust. So it's a place that Ngāti Rānana uses, and Tuarangi have visited in recent times as well.
Ka huri he ko wene wene, Pako ko matapi I te pō. Pako ko mai ko wene wene, Kia pā ki te rama marama, Pakawetohia te rama, Kua mutu tāna pakoko.